In the madness of a future Russia, only a psycho would try and bring order to the chaos, and that man's name is Red Razors. Created by Mark Miller and Steve Yowell, Red Razors debuted in the Judge Dredd magazine in 1991. Set about 50 years into the future of the Judge Dredd universe, Judge Razors and his partner, a genetically enhanced talking horse called Comrade Ed, patrol the insanity of Sov Block 2, where rampant American capitalism merges with kidnapping and murder in a vast, violent kleptocracy. Judge Razors is the prototype for a new kind of judge, a brainwashed ex-gang member conditioned to follow the orders of his superiors without question. He's a brutal thug who makes Judge Dredd look like a bleeding heart, and Razors is on a mission to investigate the theft of the holy corpse of Elvis, as well as the city's plague of superannuated terrorists. Satirical, bombastic, and in your face. Red Razors is trademark Miller from his first blaze of comics stardom, a wild comment on the unchecked collapse of the Soviet Union and the American junk culture that rushed in to fill the void. It lampoons consumerism, totalitarianism, and the multimedia age all at once. Yowell turns in some of the best artwork of his career. As pin-sharp as the strip satire, slashed with brutal neon colours and gore, it throws bloody flesh onto the bones of the strip's premise. In his last appearance, drawn by Nigel Dobbin, Razors throws off his brainwashing and goes on a killing spree. Who could be brutal enough to stop him? Red Razors is a high-octane romp through a riotous future Russia, and now reads as a very violent but quite prescient vision of a decaying nation descending into a different kind of media-led totalitarianism. The strip was collected in its entirety in Judge Dredd the Mega Collection, available in print from Hachette Partworks. Well, thanks for joining us on the 2080 ABC Earthlets. Next week, all hands on deck, hold the anchor as we prepare to sail the Red Seas.